things I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the Day. It's Monday, December 29th. We have 3 days left of the year. Don't muck it up, all right? And it's Monday, and we're not in the best spot, you guys. I'm not crazy about the setups today. Yeah, if you haven't noticed yet, we are at this pretty big resistant area, 690. Everybody's waiting to see, are we going to hit 700 before the new year? I don't know. One level at a time. Today, though, bullish above 691. I went all the way. This is what I'm looking at this morning. All right, I'm looking at all of these pivots up here. It's not a good situation. Here's our trade set up to the long side, bullish above 691. Then there's a big pocket here. That's what I'm looking at. Bear below 687.75. All right, that's it on the SPY. The only thing we're contending with is this 4 EMA. So yeah, if we go below that, right now it's at 688.07. It moves around a little bit. So below that, that's our trade set up down to that 8 EMA on the daily chart. All right, let's go to the IWM. It's definitely been weaker. Drew a couple trend lines so you can see where it's at. X marks the spot, huh? That's pretty much where we're at here. Bullish above 253. All right, if we happen to move up there, and then we're going to be bearish below 250. Pretty big price level. There's a pocket right here. That's the trade set up to the downside. Downside, upside. We'll see. Let's go to the QQQs. Bullish above 624.55. There was a pivot in the way, so I had to go to that 55 level. Similar to the SPY, bear below 621. I was a little bit more aggressive on the downside. We just triggered that. So 620.50 is another level. Let me just show you those pivots where we're at. Yeah. All right, so we're in this big pocket right now. So bear below, but 620.50 is another really good level, even 620. But I would imagine there'd be a bounce there at first. You know, the first time we get down there should be some buyers at that level. All right, let's go to the future. Let's see what those E-minis are doing. Bullish above 69.75. Yeah, a lot of resistance up above with moving averages and pivots. Bear below 69.60 just triggered. 69.55 is S2, so, you know, bear below that. That would be another level. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 25.925, bear below 25.750. That just triggered. 25.700 is another good level. Let's go to oil futures. Bullish above 58.37. I don't normally pick levels like that, but I had to. Yeah, I just had to. If we can break above R1, then I can see a move up. There's a pocket here. But you can see there's resistance. Bear below 57. And let's take a look at gold. Yeah, pullback today. We're going to be bullish. The bullish above level was really tough. Yeah, I wasn't happy with that today. You can see there's a lot of resistance right here, but there's a short trade if we break above 4,500. Just don't know if we'll get there. Bear below 44.75. The trade is down to the 15 EMA. All right, let's check out Bitcoin futures. Well, they did change expiration. That's why we did have that pretty big move up to that above 90,000, and then it dropped. I'm going to keep with, yeah, I like that 90K level. If we can break above that, bullish, except, let's see. Just be careful of this peanut butter and jelly situation on the 5-minute chart. These moving averages here. Bear below 86,900. Again, it's Monday. Most stop outs do happen on Mondays and Fridays. Silver, SLV, nice pullback to the 4 EMA. It's kind of stuck in this area right now, but if we could break above 69, maybe it'll push up or bear below 67.50 for a possible move down to the 8 EMA. So that's my last target. We'll see if we do go down there for the pullback. Let's go to U. A lot of volume pre-market, 1550 bullish above, bear below 1394. Went below that massive print. Let's go to IREN, bullish above 4125, bear below 3850. Yeah, the bear below is really the trade that I'm looking at today. There's a big pocket right here. Then we've got Rocket Lab, bullish above 70.50, bear below 68. You know, looking at this pocket for the bear below level right there. And then we got GDX, which has had some pretty big prints. Bear below 88.50 just triggered. 88 is the next level. Looking at that pocket down to the 15 EMA. I'd like to show you the trade so that you understand, and it'll give you confidence to enter. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for Monday, December 29th. Until next time, come and join us. Check out our interactive trading room. Join it now before the beginning of the year. We will be raising our prices, but you'll be grandfathered in as long as you sign up now. Go to thedarkpools.com. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.